the rostral end, the caudal end, the cranial cavity, the nasal cavity. Now, one of the structure is removed to expose this side of the nasal cavity, which was extended from caudal to the rostral end. The nasal septum has been completely removed. And so after removing the nasal septum, we see the nasal conchae. Along the dorsal side, along the dorsal aspect of the nasal cavity, we see the dorsal nasal concha. Then we see the ventral nasal concha, and further extension of the ventral nasal concha into the vestibule of the nasal cavity, that is the alar fold. As we come further backward, some of the extensions coming from the ethmoid bone and merging with the ventral nasal concha, these are the middle nasal concha. And then going further backward, this is all your ethmoid conchae, which are present at the caudalose aspect of the nasal cavity. Remember, the caudal end of the nasal cavity is the cribriform plate of the ethmoid bone, and so these conchae are coming from the ethmoid bone, so we call them ethmoid conchae. Now the passages formed because of the presence of the conchae. The space between the dorsal nasal concha and the roof is the dorsal nasal meatus. The probe is now running through the dorsal nasal meatus. Then we are going through the middle nasal meatus, and then the ventral nasal meatus. The ventral nasal meatus is the largest piece, which is going to lead to the choana or nasopharyngeal opening on that side. That's the choana right there.